I have a bad tooth and I never take it out. And I realize I eat everybody I come off of my boat. I'm not shame of myself because enough people have bad tooth. You get me? So I just want to try to get some help and I got a doctor today. And I go take out my tooth and clean and clean. You understand? Yeah. That me I go do. So that's my focus today. Me know say me can't work on myself. You get what I said? Me know me can't work on myself. Enough people can't work on them dirty heart. You understand me? Things that them a try fight against me about. Me know say them can't work on them dirty heart because them heart now go change. That's okay. Do what you have to. That is what I'm doing. Doing what I have to. Guys, me I beg on some pan a double ya. Enough of them can't change them dirty heart. Them dirty heart can't change. Them bad mind energy now go nowhere. You understand what I say? When you can't work for yourself, them can't work for themselves. Thank you so much, baby. Guys, me I beg on help me. Beg on some pan a double ya. Thank you, baby. Big up yourself, baby. Thank you so much. Come on, chat. Come on, guys. Everybody, come together on my side. Come together, chat. Queen, thank you. You know what I want? I want me sit down every day and dwell upon the same negative something over and over again. You say if my chat now stay clean, me I go lock it down. Thank you, baby queen. Thank you so much for the galaxy. Any how my chat can't stay clean, me I go lock it down. No, but we're not gonna make a comment section crowd. We cannot do that. Queen, thank you so much for the galaxy, baby. Guys, everybody come in my side. Thank you, baby. Thank you. Yeah. Big up yourself, baby. Enough love. Guys, everybody chat. Come together. Double tap my side. Double tap, guys. Don't play people no mind. I get that. Yeah, man, the mods at work, man. I like how moderator at work. Chat, me I beg on to double tap my side. Double tap, guys. Love you, Annie. Love you, baby. Thank you so much. Just do you. I will. You watch me all day? So much for the support. Oh, my God. I give you a follow. Thank you for the support. Yeah, all the time. Thank you. Guys, I feel like some if you drink one coconut water first. Though. Love you, girl. Love you, baby. Love you. Yeah, pressure too. Me too. Guys, thank you for the love, guys. Everybody, guys, thank you. Answer me. What you talk about? Make you keep on answer you. Oh my God, guys, and big up to my MVP. Cards, you get a light and a gloves. Sean, 2938, you get a gloves and a hammer. Queen, baby, what's up? Thank you so much, guys. Everybody, thank you, guys. Guys, may I beg follow me #1 gift and please and thank you, Queen. Thank you so much for the galaxy, baby. Guys, everybody at double tap, guys. Big up on yourself. Guys, me not want the phone dead, do you know? No. When I go on the road to get up, please. I'm good about it. Me I go on the road, got Dr. Winji. That's my business. What time are you going to do that? You can use the key incident to do. First. First, you go on the road. Zoe. Turn off the wake up. You sleep with the tablet on the bed?
No, you can't charge the extension right this one.
Turn off the AC. You can't feel the AC. Oh God. You're not cold?
No, it's cold. No, you're not like that.
So why is it so cold? Wait something there. Guys, chat. Me I beg on some taps, guys. Chat, double tap, guys. Guys, help me catch your speed. Chat, help me catch your speed, guys. Love you, Annie. Water. Sexy beg you some in the morning, no? Sexy, me I beg you some in the morning, sexy. Sexy, me I beg you some in the morning, sexy. Sexy, beg your money gonna a galaxy. Guys, catch your speed. Catch your speed, chat. Catch your speed. Thank you, baby. Thank you. You need to do a series on YouTube. You know, say God, no, over there me a plan for go. I swear to God. Over there me a plan for go, baby. You need to do a series. From last time, you them tell me about series on YouTube. Yes, you need to. All right. Honestly, me really look on it, and from last night, everybody tell me, say, Annie, do one series over YouTube. Do a series over YouTube. So, honestly, really family drama. Yeah, reality family drama. Thank you, baby. Thank you, Dad. Thank you for the Galaxy Queen. You need 2 phones. Yeah, me need 2 phones for true. So it's like, all right, when you talk about series, it's like posting a series or it is a live. It's a live. Because remember, you know, sometimes people like when you live stream. You understand? And next after your live stream, now the live stream cut and go back on the same channel. Okay, post it. Oh, okay. All right, I understand, baby. Okay, guys, I understand. I think that was the whole idea from beginning. Yeah, that was the whole idea from beginning. Thank you, baby queen. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, me get you. Drink coconut water. That's it. All right, me go left out. And you know, tired. Why mother tired and afraid of one? Every stream me depend every stream. Well, you want me run off a TikTok? And that you want? What you think so? When I go come with something and me I go run? Eh? Guys, me I beg on a double tap chat. Double tap. I'll catch you. All right, the jelly water. Me go do that first. All right, baby. Later. May I see you soon, all right? Thank you so much, and thanks for the advice. Later. Honey, I want to know you today. Hold on, where that girl there? We want black that girl. Hold on the chat. Hold on there. One you have to get black. Maybe my moderator now see her. Hold on, can I moderator grab her already too? No, me see it. Hold on, see her right this. Yeah. Guys, double tap, guys. Come on, chat. We're gonna some taps. Let me see. My purse. My purse. How we make about them? Eh?
I know what you got.
When I get ready, cause I said me I go out early and say me can relax and drink one coconut water, make it secure.
Yeah.
Go and play with Mika, boom. Mika, me soon come. I freshen up. Me soon come. So guys, I really like the idea. I want to talk about the series for YouTube. I think we need to do that on YouTube, but I know everybody I got in a series. Honestly, I know everybody I can work with, so you have to know what you do. I got ask some of my people them where I got in it. I know a lot of people I got agree. The TT, me I check for her now. TT? I call him. I go cool up, I go on the road.
You can meet you.
Alright guys, so everybody I go. Everybody who want to come, I go get ready. I wonder if Zoe want to come. And I don't want she feel left out. I go ask her. I ask Zoe if she want to come. Zoe? Zoe? I go up on the road, you come? You don't want to come? Hmm? Oh, that cute.
Yeah, open the door. When I see for me, I go see guys.
No, that cute. Go on, put on him. I get ready. Hey, me can't only do it hard for luck. Alright, so everybody have put themselves together. Alright guys, so we're gonna come back in a couple of minutes. Alright, yeah, cause we are going I'm not carrying in a bathroom with me. I'm sure I'm not carrying with me, so you wanna come in there with me for 4, but you're not coming there with me this morning. So we're gonna go guys and come back. Alright, so we're gonna restart back live. Moderator, me can see comment section now, please. Chat, me I beg you, let me see comment section now. Yeah. Hey, other people couldn't sick in our head, that's true me. I just say them lock down your chat tomorrow while, you know. Okay, that's a bad baby. Hurry up and come, alright. Yeah, charge up your phone. That's why I come and fight now, you. All right, baby, I will. You feel scared. How can I comment that? Hey, block that person, because that's weird. Oh, somebody said me. No. No block your person. Don't block your person. Don't block your person. Don't block your person. Leave your person. Oh my God, sorry. Sorry, make your person stay. I come here and say, why am I asking me that? But remember a conversation then we will have. Yeah. Where person, they're not block. A person asks me, I'm scared, they can't comment again. Yeah, me this while I realize, me this while I realize, I swear to you, me this realize the question where a person asks me. They're not block a person. Moderator, you never block a person, right? Yeah, I'm afraid. Oh. Yeah, I'm afraid. I'm not going to tell you no lie. Yep. I am terrified. Really terrified. And the last time I go, my whole lamp on the dentist closed. Like, the last time I did it, I grab up a dentist, like literally grab him up so. And the mafia said, let me go. He said, no, you cannot do that. No, I'm not telling him. He said, you cannot do that. And he grab on my hand. I get a little bit of sleep, not much. No, seriously. The last time I remember, me grab up a dentist the last time I did it, so. Alright guys, come go up on the road. But I have to go up on the road from early, right? Yeah, them numb it. I'm teaching me, I put on my clothes now. Who have my charger? They numb it, you know. They numb it 3 times. I think, alright, them numb it 2 times. After they numb it 2 times now, like me still in a feeling. And next they numb me again. Right? And when they numb me again, me still feeling.
Thank you, Doctor.
Mika, who take my charger?
Alex,
I cannot do that, man. I buy one full police charger. Alright. Alex. You have a charger? You have a charger? Me charger. Wingy, I'll go for Wingy when Alex him wanna pop up. Ask him for few man. Alex, you coming? You come? I'll go up on the road. I'm buying something, nothing. I feel like people are going to buy things. I just go up on the road, go deal with someone and come back. When you can get something for cook. Today is a day when you make sure someone gets some. Look here, today is a day cooking a guan. Right?
Yeah, indeed.
You not chicken in the fridge?
Yeah.
Well, I cook chicken, I go cook. Guys, blacky people that will put KFC. People that will put KFC, black them. Me not really black them. Yeah. Just take your time and block every one of them. Yeah, take your time and block everyone. You see? What carry it up? What carry it up? And hold on, shit. Hold on. That's a joke. How Malta fi carry up the pressure? Guys, how much joke can I try and make with me? A joke can I make? Yes, it's true. I'm a drink it so often. Me not joke, me drink it often, chat. Me drink it Malta often. Like, me not joke with you, me drink. Me always a drink one Malta. It is true, don't drink it. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. So all along me I drink down one bag of Malta, I never know. Guys, run the chat, make it great chat, go and stay till me go bed. Because we not have to start over, you know. Yeah, them depend live at talk about my teeth, what that have to do with me. I business. I don't business. People like, look here, people go through worse than that, girl. You mad? That now go bother me at all. Anyway, guys, run the chat, make the chat go on. Can you come let me see you? No more see it. You can't show me something. You just come here and show me something. So why you go come say no? Are you gonna show me the something, yes or no? And them.
Data. 19, with a girl like
Who suck?
we just comments all of what talk.
Me the line and suck. Who
Me not have no blackout in my mouth. Yeah, the teeth them here not straight, but that can't work with. Me not have no blackout in my mouth. Yeah. I'm a piece of carpet, so I brush my teeth a morning time, I rub my carpet.
Oh, listen, my love. Why, Priscilla? Why me for shame? Why me for shame? Why me supposed to shame? How comes? You want shame for me? May I beg you if you can't shame for me because I can't find the shame. The shame no come. The shame no come none blood clot all. I'm sorry. Guys, what is me for do? Run the chat. Okay, we will take care of the comments. Alright. 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 Angry chat for me, bad baby, please.